We're back again for another video, guys. What's up? First off, I want to say thank you for everybody watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm hoping my videos ain't getting boring for y'all. Seems like everything I've been doing is something about a Honda, or mostly these 5-speed automatics, which we got again today. But I just figured maybe y'all want to see this one. Basically, long story short, we got a 04 Honda Odyssey van. It's been rebuilt 3 years ago. Not by me. From some shop in Durham or Greensboro somewhere up in North Carolina. The guy claims they did it for $1,200. I don't know how they did it for $1,200 because they ain't making no money. You're looking at over $600 in parts, labor, fluids, and everything. I don't think they done what they supposed to done. We got it in my little building. It's temporary, like I said. Basically, it's made out of pallets. Got a tarp roof. But heck, I'm warm in the summertime. Warm in the wintertime, my bad. I already got it jacked up and stuff. So what this van is doing is, when you start it up, you put it in reverse, it goes in reverse, no delay. You put it in drive, it's nothing in drive. When you pull it down to 1, it bangs in the 1, and you can drive it in 1. So, see what's going on is, I think whoever built the transmission, supposedly, I think they took it out, they put a torque converter in it, they put clutches in it, and they didn't do no drum seals. So, sorry. Long story short, they climb under here. They got a blue torque converter in it. So, I don't know where they got a blue one from. Because, in my area, we only get them in 2 colors. They're only red or gray. So, the blue one, more than likely is from eBay. Bullcrap, probably. Or they painted it. We'll find out if it's a tag. If it ain't no tag on it, that's some aftermarket bullcrap they put on it. The other thing is the catalytic converter. It's been cut and rewelded, but that's an aftermarket catalytic converter. So, in my area, there was a lot of catalytic converter thefts in my area. So, what more than likely would happen on this vehicle? They told him $1,200. They did some bullcrap to the transmission. They stole this converter, put an aftermarket on, and they got another $1,000 from the converter when converters was up. So, if y'all guys want to see what the outcome is on this transmission, just leave a comment below. If y'all don't comment or anything, I'm not gonna post a lot of video of tearing this one down or anything, because the last couple of videos have been nothing but 5-speed automatic videos. If y'all new to the channel, most of my videos are about Hondas and everything. I do work on Chevrolets and Fords. I guess I haven't had the chance to record when I'm doing the bullcrap on those cars too. I had water pump to do a couple days ago, time and chain, some other stuff. But if y'all like my videos and y'all want to see the outcome of this and see what another shop, a professional transmission shop, supposedly rebuilt this transmission. If y'all want to see the teardown, leave a comment below and I'll make a video. Other than that, I'm still trying to clean up. I'm trying to get everything situated because we got new transmissions that I'm learning. I got a CVT transmission. I have a 2013 Accord. I'm trying to learn how to build. And I got some 4L60E transmissions from Chevrolets I'm learning also. So if y'all bear with me, I'll have better content coming. Or if y'all want to, y'all can leave a comment and just suggest what do y'all want to see. And I'll try my best to make a video of it. But other than that, thank y'all. and enjoy. Like and subscribe.